students. Aditya, Rohit are absent. Then Varsha is absent. No, Varsha is there. Vaishnavi. Yes. Let them join. Yeah. Okay, so today we will continue with median in continuous series. Okay. I hope you have done the homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Swastika, Sambhav, and Purvi said yes. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tushar, Shivam. Okay. What the answer was given there. Did you get the answer? The same answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Okay. So today we will continue the median in the median itself, that in the continuous series. Write the next question. Hopefully today we can finish that particular lesson. Okay. So write the next question. Please keep your microphone off, all of you. Right. Calculate median. Calculate median. The wage rate, that's the heading. Wage rate is given. Right. Less than 10, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, and less than 80. Till 80 is there. And the next column, number of workers. Next column is number of workers. 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198, and 250. 250. I repeat the frequency. 1515, then 35, then 60, 84, 96, 127, 198, and 250. So that's the question. You have to find out the median. It's a less than series. Okay, Aditi, tell me how you will do it.
Ma'am, firstly, we will convert the less than series into continuous series.
Into the normal class. Okay, fine then.
Ma'am, then
Okay.
we will use the formula median class is equals to size of n upon 2th item. We will solve it, and further we will use the uh, formula median is equals to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F into I.
Okay. Anything else about the frequency?
Yes, ma'am, we will find the cumulative frequency also.
We find the cumulative frequency. So what is given? What is given? What is the given frequency?
Ma'am, we have to find frequency.
Yes, the givens, it is a cumulative series. Less than series and more than series, there you will be given the cumulative frequency. So the frequency which is given is cumulative. You have to find the normal frequency distribution. Normal frequency. So given is cumulative frequency because this is a cumulative series. Less than series, more than series, all these series are cumulative series. It is being cumulated. The frequencies are given cumulated. So you have to find out the normal frequency. Given is cumulative frequency, you have to find out the normal frequency. Then you have to do the problem. So that is the thing you have to remember in this case. Otherwise, it is either as a regular, you have to do the problem. The only thing you have to remember here is given is cumulative frequency. From that, you have to arrive at the actual frequency because you need the frequency. You know, in the other formula also, you need the actual frequency. So you have to find it out.
Ma'am, 59.35.
5935 is what, beta?
Median.
Median is 59.35 S. So how will you write the frequencies? Less than 10 means 0 to 10. Less than 10, 0 to 10. Till less than 80 is there. When you get the answer, please tell me who has got the answer.
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay, good. Fifty to 60. 60 to 70. And 70 to 80. These are the class, that is X. You can write the class. Now the
Ma'am,
cumulative.
answer is 59.3.
Repeat the answer, beta.
Ma'am, 59.3.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also got 59.3.
Very good. 2 more minutes for the others. And if you find any difficulty, please share. What's your difficulty? Those who are not getting the answer, please share what is your problem. where you are finding difficulty. So now I'm writing the cumulative frequency. Those who have done, look at the board. And those who don't know to do it, also look at the board. You are given the cumulative frequency because you are given the less than series. So you can see it cumulated at the end. That is 250. That's the total frequency. So now you will find out the actual frequency. That means the individual frequency. Yeah. First is 15. Kushar. Kushar. Why Kushar is not responding? Is he there in the meet, Shiva?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Kushar there in the participants?
No, ma'am.
So actually yesterday he was fine. It was difficult for him to arriving at the actual frequency from cumulative frequency. Okay, those who don't know how to arrive at cumulative frequency from cumulative frequency, please look at the board. This is the cumulative frequency given. How can you know it is cumulative frequency? You know, less than 10. So when it comes to less than 80, it includes from the beginning. Less than 10 also is included in less than 80. So it is cumulated. That's why. And even in the case of more than, if it is more than 0, more than 10, more than 20 also, everything will come at a particular point that's more than 0. Even more than 100 will be included in the class more than 0. So it is being cumulated at a particular end. Okay, so from this less than and more than series, and if it is given like 0 to 100, 10 to 100, or in such a way also, you can understand that the frequency is being clubbed and given, cumulated and given. So in that case, you have to find out the actual frequency. Here, cumulative frequency, the first one is 15. That means nothing is added from the beginning, so 15 itself. And the next is 35 minus 15, that is 20. Then 60 minus 35, 25. Then 84 minus 60, 24. Then 96 minus 84, yeah, 96 minus 84, 12. Next, 127 minus 96,
31.
31. Then 148 minus 127, 71. Isn't it? And the next it will come 71. But 250 minus 148,
52.
52. So these are the actual frequency distribution. I hope all of you know how to arrive at the actual frequency from the cumulative frequency. Now there is nothing to do with these columns. You can straight away go to this, find out the median class. Median is equal to, okay, n by 2th item. And what is the total frequency? What is n? What is the total frequency? In this case, the total frequency is 250.
250.
So you add it here also. Here you will get sigma f as 250. That's a cross check. Okay. So 250 upon 2. That is
125.
125.
125. Okay. Now from here you will move to the cumulative frequency to check this 125 will come in which particular cumulative frequency. Where it will come?
50 to 60.
It will come in this line. It will come in this line. Okay. This is the cumulative, model class. This is the one. So the model class, the median class is 50 to 60. Now you just apply the formula. What is the formula? Swastika, what is the formula?
L plus bracket
L1.
n upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket into I.
Okay, it is better to say L1, that is lower limit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus CF on F into I. So you substitute it. What is L1, Chaitanya? Answer, Mila? Chaitanya, did you get the answer? Chaitanya, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the same answer, 59.35?
59.7.
59.7. So check the calculation. If it is like all are getting another number, check the calculation. 125 minus 96, that is 29, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
29 upon 31. 8 minutes. 29 upon 31. Somewhere the calculation, if 1 or 2 difference is there, the answer goes like that. Answer will be different. 29 by 31 into 10. Into 10. That means 50 plus. Yeah, what is the decimal you get here? 50 plus
9.35.
9.35. So your answer will be 59.35. So that is the answer. This way you get the answer. So the procedure is same, the same. Yes, I am back. I was out of the meet. So we will move to the next question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't respond, again, I will think I'm again out of the meet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Right. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. 5 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 50. 50 to 70. 70 to 100. I repeat, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, and 70 to 100. And the number of students, number of students, number of students, 12, 15, 25, 40, 42, 14, and 8. I repeat the frequency, 12, 15, 25, 40, 42, 14, and 8. So this is the question. Is there any problem with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, gaps are not equal.
Yes.
Okay, in the first case it is 5, and then 5 to 10, then 10 to 20, isn't it? 20 to 30,
Yes, ma'am.
30 to 50. Okay, 5, 5, then 10, then 10, then 20, then 20, and the last one is 30. So such a distribution, there is no specific treatment. It can be calculated straight away like other distribution. There is no problem. Okay, you can find it out. As usual, you don't want to do anything. You just can find out as in the case of, as you did in the previous case. So keep it as a homework. You will do in the same manner you have done the previous problem. We'll do the next
Ma'am,
question.
so I will be.
What is your, just find when you get the median class, you just check what is the I there.
Okay, ma'am.
You will get a class now to substitute. So
Yes,
then you
ma'am.
just check what is I there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So write the next question. 46 to 50. 46 to 50. Is my board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
46 to 50. Then 41 to 45. 36 to 40. 31 to 35. 26 to 30. 26 to 30. Then 21 to 25. 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Then 11 to 15. So these are the classes. 46 to 50, 41 to 45, 36 to 40, 31 to 35, 26 to 30, 21 to 25, 16 to 20, and 61 to 50. Sorry. What is the last one? 11 to 15.
11 to 15.
11 to 15. So these are the classes. Write the frequencies. 5, 11, 5, 11, 22. So I'm writing it like this because my class got clubbed here. No space here. So I'm writing this in the correct order. 35, 35, 26, 13, 10, and 7. These are the frequencies. 5, 11,
Ma'am, what is the last one?
7. 5, 11, 22, 35, 26, 13, 10, 7. Okay. How will you do it? Prakhar, explain. How will you do it? Is Prakhar there?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak louder, beta. How will you do it?
Ma'am, first we have to change the series.
Change the
Series.
how.
Ma'am, class.
Change means in what way? How will you change it?
Ma'am, in order wise.
Okay, that is in the increasing order. Ascending order you will do it. That is 11 to 15. That is what you are saying now?
Yes, ma'am.
First you will write 11 to 15, then 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30. Likewise, you will change the order, ascending order. Then what you will do?
Ma'am, then we have to change the frequency.
Change the frequency means corresponding frequencies you will write. When you write 11 to 15 in the beginning, the 7 should also be transported with 11, 15, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The corresponding frequency should be written towards that. Okay, fine. Next step.
And then we have to find CF.
You have to. Now, beta, it is what kind of class is this? What kind of series is given? 46 to 50. The lower limit,
Inclusive.
see, it is inclusive. You have to change
Yes,
it to exclusive series.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to change it to exclusive series, then you have to make it in the ascending order, then you have to write the cumulative frequency, then your problem is a regular problem. Then there is nothing to be done, like no special treatment is to be done, you can do the problem as any other problem. So you have to put this in the ascending order, then change the inclusive, convert into the exclusive series, then write the frequencies, then cumulative frequencies. So we have studied that you have to change the series into ascending or descending order. So it is given in the descending order, but in the case of continuous series, now you may find a problem. When you write, you have a place where frequency of the previous class just before the median class. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So when you write that, such a series now, because it is upside down, this particular series is like it is going like it is in the descending order. So in that case, it will be the below one. It is not the just preceding one. You have to take in that case the cumulative frequency just after the median class. So you will get confused. So better to make it in the ascending order and do the problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So make it in the ascending order and shift the frequencies, then make it a cumulative frequency, then do the problem, and it should be an exclusive series. Okay, any doubt anybody has? Please ask.
Ma'am, we have
Yes.
to change the inclusive series into exclusive series.
Yes, you have to.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to. It is like this now, 11 to 15. If you put it in the ascending order, it is 11 to 15. Then 16 to 20. 21 to 25. And 26 to 30. Then 31 to write in this way. 31 to 35. These are important here. You can do the problem. I understood you know how to do the problem. These things are important in this case. So concentrate on this. Now the next one is 36 to 40. Then 41 to 45. हो गया कहाँ तक लिखना है नहीं 50 तक लिखना है then 46 to 50. So now you have written it in the ascending order. This is the ascending order. Now we will change it into an exclusive series. Ah, beta.
Oh, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
32.93. 32.93.
Some small variation is there. Let us see.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 31.7.
Yeah, 31.7. Good. See, write all these things, okay. Don't straight away jump to the, go to the answer. Have you written this particular step? This should be written. First of all, change it in the ascending order. Then make it into a, what series? Exclusive series. Okay, संभव बोलो, exclusive series कैसे लिखोगे? संभव? Why Sambhav is not responding? Is Shivam? Are you there? Aditi, who all got the answer? I think it is Aditi and Sambhav spoke to me, right? Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Yes or no? Better respond. Please respond when I am asking something. See, you have to change the exclusive series in, sorry, inclusive series into exclusive series like this. 10.5, 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 25.5. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 25.5 to, yeah, 30.5. How will you do it? Just take the difference of this upper limit and this lower limit, and half of that should be added to every lower limit. Should be added, you deducted. Deducted to every lower limit and should be added to every upper limit. That's the way to change it. See the upper limit and difference between the upper limit and this next lower limit. Take the half. Yes.
Ma'am, answer is 31.7.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also
31.7.
got 31.7.
Okay, beta, you get that. You might have got the answer, but this step, did you write or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it's okay. You have to. Those who don't know how to make it, how will you do it? That's what I am explaining once again. This upper limit, this lower limit, the difference is 1, and half of that is 0.5. That 0.5 should be deducted from each lower limit and added to every upper limit. That's it. Okay, 0.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5. My God, अभी हो गया 50.5. So this is the class. Now the frequencies. Bolo frequencies. Frequencies bolo.
Ma'am, 27,
7,
10,
10.
13, 26,
Hmm.
35,
Hmm.
22,
Hmm.
11, and 5.
These are the frequency. What is the next step? Cumulative frequency. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
7, 17,
17,
30, 56,
56,
91. Hmm? Correct?
yes, ma'am.
91, 113,
13,
124. Hmm?
yes, ma'am.
124 and 129. These are
9.
the cumulative frequency. Now, n by 2th item. N by 2th item means 129 upon 2th item. That means what? That means what?
64.5.
64.5.
64.5.
64.5th item. That will come under this particular cumulative frequency. 64.5 will come under this, isn't it? This one. So this is the class. Okay, now you just have to apply the other formula, L1 plus, that is 31 plus, not 31, 30.5 plus 129 upon 2 minus, what is the cumulative frequency just before the median class? 56.
56.
56 upon 35. So what is the problem if you put it in the same order and do it? There is no problem, but instead of this 56 now will come on here. If you do the problem like starting from 4650 in the descending order, you will put this 56 will come under this. So that is that may create a confusion to you. So that's why I said put it in the ascending order. So 56 is the CF and F is 35. So likewise, you then you will get the answer 31.7. That is the answer. Okay. Hope you understood. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
several kinds of several types of series you have seen, like inclusive series, you have converted into exclusive series, you got a less than series. Likewise, you may get a more than series, you may get a more than series, a less than series, and you may get a unequal interval wala series, just like a 5, 10, 30. So likewise, you may get, that doesn't make a difference. You just have to check what's the class difference in the model class. That's all. So many kinds of distribution you have seen. Once you regularize the distribution, the problem will be done in the same method. Okay. So I will send two more homework, and after that we can do the missing number or the missing item, missing frequency, and all with the median in the next class. Okay. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, attendance.
हाँ बेटा, 1 minute.